or more. See the unique way these guys are using to catch fish. Now, wow. I'm trying to understand how they are catching these fish. There's fish everywhere. You see that the fish is running towards the boat? Or this thing that the boat is doing, see that the boat is pumping in food for the fish to try and catch, and as the fish is coming for the food, they are catching the fish. This is awesome actually. Almost eat better fish to chow.
Hi guys,
Better
welcome
food.
to my YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe and comment.